Dear students, today I am going to explain you the derivation of the area of an equilateral triangle. Derivation of an area of an equilateral triangle. See, one triangle I take, this is ABC. Okay, here let ABC is an equilateral triangle in which AB equals to BC equals to CA equals to A centimeter. Then one construction we will do. AM perpendicular on BC is drawn. Okay. This is A, this is ACM. Then this becomes A by 2 CM. Because when a perpendicular is drawn in an equilateral triangle, then base is bisected in two equal parts, and that's why BM is equals to MC, that is equals to A by 2 cm, and angle AMB equals to 90 degree. Okay, the process 1 is, now in triangle ABM, what we find that AM is height, that is here it is perpendicular. Okay, and so from the Pythagoras' theorem, what we know? So here m equals to, we'll write square root under AB square minus BM square. This implies m is here P, and this P equals to square root under H square minus BS square. This is Pythagoras theorems, and from that here P is AM, so this AM is equals to root under A to the whole square minus A by 2 to the whole square. And so this AM is equals to square root under A square minus A square by 4, and that is equals to root under 3A square by 4, and that is root 3 by 2 into A, CM. And therefore area of triangle ABC is equals to half into base into height. So base is here BC and height is here AM. So what we will write? 1 by 2 into A into AM is root 3 by 2 A, and that is equals to root 3 by 4 A square, and that is root 3 by 4 into side to the whole square, CM square. Now second process, we will use trigonometry. In triangle ABM, you find that angle ABM is equals to 60 degree, because each angle of an equilateral triangle is 60 degree. Okay, and in that case for this 60 degree, here BM is base, and that is A by 2. AM is perpendicular, and that we have to find out, and AB is hypotenuse, that is A. Then we have to find AM, that is perpendicular, and base is given A by 2, and we know according to trigonometry the relation between what is given and what we have to find out is the main important thing. And here between perpendicular and base the relation is tan. So tan 60 degree is equals to P by B, and P is AM, base is BM, and you know that tan 60 degree equals to root 3 AM, and BM is A by 2, and therefore AM equals to root 3 A by 2 CM, and therefore area of triangle ABC is equals to, now you use the formula half into base into height. Here base is how much? BC, height is AM. Now you put the value, so half into A into root 3 by 2 A, and that is equals to root 3 by 4 A square, that is root 3 by 4 into side to the whole square. This is the formula, and here cm I have taken, that's why I have written cm square, otherwise a square unit. Square unit means if it is meter, then it will be meter square, like this. Now, one thing you have to keep in mind, NB. NB means nota bin. Nota bin means remember well. If height is given, if height is given, we can easily find the area of an equilateral triangle. Suppose, example, if h is equals to 8 cm, then in this case, in this triangle, you find am is the height. So am is given 8 cm. That is height. Okay. Now AB is given a cm. BM is given a by 2 cm. Now you know from Pythagoras theorem that am square is equals to ab square minus bm square. In this case, am is 8 to the whole square, ab is a to the whole square, and bm is a by 2 to the whole square. Then what do we get? 64 equals to a square minus a square by 4. And this implies 64 equals to 3a square by 4. And this implies a square equals to 64 into 4 by 3, that is 256 by 3 cm square. And therefore we can write area of triangle ABC, which is an equilateral triangle, and that is equals to root 3 by 4 into side square, that is a square, and here a square value we have 256 by 3. Okay, and then by 4 you cancel, so 64 root 3 by 3. This 3 means what? Root 3 into root 3. Then root 3 cancel. 64 by root 3 we got. And you know that root 3 value is how much? 1.732. Now here if you remove the decimal, what do you get? 64,000 by 1732, and that is equals to 37 cm square approx. It is approx, not exact. This is the answer. In this way, if the height of an equilateral triangle is given, we can easily find the area of the equilateral triangle. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.